Hi, this short video is from Dr. Neil, the CEO of Dynamark Solutions International, where we have one goal: to help your business grow quickly and profitably. We do that by making it easier to reach your future customers predictably. As a local marketing agency, we understand the balancing act of running a business and growing it in these uncertain times. With all your other business expenses, we know that the budget you allocate to marketing is most valuable. Maximizing that budget by getting real and measurable results that impact your bottom line is what we do well. We accomplish that by creating an affordable digital marketing strategy tailored to your business goals and targeted for your dream audience. Would you be surprised to know that the average adult spends more than 20 hours online every week, normally, and even longer during the pandemic? Can you believe it? That is more time than half of a 40-hour workweek, every week. The World Economic Forum's recent warning to small local businesses: go digital or go bust. Your future customers are on the internet. Are you? Our digital marketing expertise can place you there, front and center. Are you ready to take the next step for your business success? We are. Just remember, traffic is the ticket out of the pandemic blues. Let's work together and accomplish your business goals by attracting more of your dream clients. Our international team of experts is here to serve you, guide you, listen to you, and help you get to page 1 of YouTube, Google, and other traffic-laden platforms. Millions of your dream clients are searching there daily for your product or service, but you are nowhere to be found. We can put you there, quickly and affordably. It would be like putting your huge billboard smack in the middle of the intersection where the busiest highways of the internet meet. You'll be omnipresent and hard to ignore. To find out how quickly, inexpensively, and profitably you can have your dream clients pounding on your door, please click or call 437-774-6325 or visit https://www.dynamarksolutions.com.